spend how many years at Tanyan?
Rest of my life khulele eTrongweni from early age, underage. Rest of my life. Xesha elininzi ngisestupid ngapha phandle.
Uthini Mfondini task mzawubethwa ndimi. Umfondini kumuntu wasemakhaya, ndingomuntu wasemakhaya.
Khulele ku-family grand but i-family bayithukulo mama olotata ngoba any side. Hayi, happen wonke umuntu pha uyaspina. Wonke ifamily yaspina. Shoplifting, shayikazi itswembu thakathi hayi. Ha bulala lento yenzeka ngokwenzeka way back ama-Escada ama-Biblos ijini ama-11 blocks at that time ijini one item manual bodini amabhatho ngona wayithenga namhlanje ngikaziboni so akhona intsha ukuthi la way sayenza way back still today basahamba kwala chain abafiki
so i-influence manje le kancane ufuna izizwe
amajita mna esikhila abaya ngemoto principal ayinamoto early age 17-16 wanje ama-IS 3 to 5 IS ubo 2 na already nasithi ngiyimillionaire ngibile ama-timepiece ama-Rolex ndiyayibona unqebile different U-plot Rado Tectua ngabiza kuse bro ngibona uyinqebile ngiyahleka sidlala ngazo ambona bafika benza into bangayazi ndingatsho mina ndibone something abantu abayale nabathetha ngayo bazibiza ngento bangayazi mani phuma niyahlangana mani nihlangana mess
isukile
one time ndibanjwe lidladla kamantyi shaya house breaking sithale Rolex la ndibanjwa ngehouse ndibanjwa ngefingerprint kodwa yayitola lo case abantu yakhona was ebe-alcoholic sellas too much so ndandiqashwe nguwe lapha abantu bakisha ama-aim ndiyayibona
hayi wena uthini manje
kanti uyaziwa lapha esibani yawo sellas too much ndayitreat icase no ndandiqubela ama-aim and serious nyani yabanjwa kwidambi ndathanda usela ndasela idambi efrijini yabanjwa ngalo but edladleni ayikho ifingerprint
kuspinelwani kuspinelwa i-fashion kuspinelwa igama kuspinelwa i-ego ukuthi abantu babe ne-pride kuspinelwani kahle kahle
you know mna ngihlele khubeni mna ngikhula under apartheid system khule edladleni niba yi-22 usipana umuntu oyi-1 look listen and decide Charlie this is not me anoyimela lewe edladleni at least ndiyaziva ndisharp we can make things happen but abakakwazi ngokuyenza time because wambicawe God is good, God is great all the time and that is true.
Le Grootman le yahlanya lento it's by choice akunakuthi kune pressure engafaka umuntu entweni.
How do you feel at early age light awucandanga kwenye idladla kuphekwa kamanda apha next door yavivumba nina apha edladleni akogcandi and ngomso izaqhubekeka la wena
mina ngukoloti I do understand where the Grootman is coming from mara ke the rich now must feel pressured, cornered because of the ones who are basking in the sun and saying we are claiming poverty, or they forgot to address the issues of poverty. Ngoba yonke lento is about poverty lenzakala lapha. What's going on?
No, I don't want to lie. The politicians, they know everything. Because uspina kuqale bona uspina. Yonke le way iqale ngabe under apartheid system ethathiwa makati phansi for umali emibutho. Ithathwa ngabo baphinda bathi yakangaba babagcina kala mali same people bethatha phansi same people bathi base state yayiva lento ithetha namhlanje abantu abayiwana bathathe phansi baba grand bathi ngokusesi state still basenza same thing imali bayikhupha bayidla bodwa and then what do you expect the class to go
leadership are recognized
there's such a thing Charlie ayise kumlo umuntu athi leader abantu
ayikhulile leadership nonsense
umusithunywa sabantu uthunywa ngabantu bawo izinto zabantu uze they never come back and report abantu instead bathathe inyuku baphila bodwa foolish
mina ngiunderstand there's no reason for abantu ukuthi bangene kube nalo pressure leyo
you know i-state awunoziphikisa programs I've learned the way there if ufuna uphikisa i-state siphikise ngomthetho only thing onebeyenza what is right if and the crime ayenziwa uba famous waziwe yenziwa kusokola edladleni manje ulala edladleni awucandanga mina ngisosigebengu zanga nabasiso nabengumadidizana ngifuna nje utshintsha life wami zanga namosha abantu
mara utshontshe ibhiya kamanje street
shaya idladla yakhe Mangizawusela abantu phaka lokhu banibona utshwala ngizabuthatha nisele. Ngakade bengisela ngezolo.
So ngokuya ngawe bozoyijustify u-explain lento ukuthi hayi economical crime siyorepossessa kahle okwathathwa.
Awushiwo lokhu yathi ANC yathi abantu repossess.
Yeah.
Ngabo bachoye bawufaka bathi jambani.
Yeah.
Ngabo umthetho ophuma from bona.
The first straf sakho i-sentence bakunika how many years?
First draft sami but you many times child. Asakhumbula many times. Kulele nawe eziqale 100 times.
So bakunikeza ama short term uyangena.
Hayi ke ngihlala time anihlala iminyaka from 10 years upwards.
Yo. 8 years.
Mind you each day 365 days a year leap year 60 suku kuvalele. Phinda uqale phansi mafika baphalo uma unafokola unadika unaskipa unando. Do you think it's easy?
Yasuka futhi.
It's obvious. Kushaya udume ngazo. Timing. Simple. Timing. Focus ja. Mapri bathi chonga uyinja. Uthi chonga mthakathi. Uyinja wasibhala wathi no and kwenzeka into zenzeka pha kuyi wasibona. Uthi rings yazithola naba bani. Hleli abantu baniphethe yonke le. Utsho naye uthi siya ngokuthi ngubani. Uhamba nobani ungena kwindawo ezinjani.
Ila nabantu abanjani.
Nabantu abagrenqa ufuna ubagrenqa. If uhamba ne-losers abayi-losers.